This video will show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on a Toyota Matrix. This will be located under the passenger side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To do this, we're going to have to make our way underneath the passenger side dash just below our glove box. Now under the dash, we can see our blower motor resistor. We have two mounting screws, one's here, one just above. We also have an electrical connector. Let's start removing the screws so we can move this to a place that we can disconnect that electrical connector. Just use a Phillips head, start unscrewing them. The next one's just right up here. Now we can start pulling out that resistor. At this point, we can see our locking tab right out in the open. Just go ahead and press that in and we'll disconnect this. If you need to, you could use a small pocket screwdriver as a prying device. Just hold on to that resistor, small pocket screwdriver. Go in. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we need to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting surface. So for this, I'm just using a clean rag. You don't need any type of detergents. Just a quick wipe here. Now we can install our blower motor resistor. We'll make sure we have this in the proper orientation. Bring it up into place. Now at this point, we can continue on with our two Phillips head mounting screws. Start them in and snug them up. Make sure they're both nice and tight here. We can see that that's fully tightened. We'll just go ahead and tighten the second one. We have the resistor completely secured. It's time for the electrical connector. The locking tab would be on the inboard side. Line it up, press it in, listen for a click. After an audible click, you want to make sure it's secured in place. We don't want to lose connection here. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our blower motor resistor. Now the next thing we need to do is put the key in the on position, and you're going to make sure you test the blower motor on all speeds. That's how you confirm the resistor functions as it should. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.